Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for early learners and kindergarten students. Now we are going to draw a stroke reverse. The reverse stroke is best described as sea waves. Sea waves. Children enjoy drawing these strokes. Ideal waves splashing against the sides of the boat. Splish splash. Splish splash. This is like a sea waves downwards. Sea waves. Say and write like a sea waves. Sea waves. The reverse stroke, it is like a sea waves. Reverse stroke, it is like a sea waves. Sea waves. Reverse stroke, it is like a sea waves. You can say and write, the sound will come now. Splish splash. Splish splash. Splish splash. Splish splash. Splashing against the sides of the boat. Sea waves. Splish splash. Splish splash. Splish splash. The sea waves splashing against the sides of the boat. Splish splash. Splish splash. Splish. You can say and write reverse stroke. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.